A couple of students of mine recently asked me if what they should do with their lives, and I said I can't answer that. That's not my problem. But one of them, for instance, was seeking all kinds of answers outside himself. You can't find the way looking outside yourself. You can look for advice. You can look for ideas. You can look for workshops. You can read all the self-help books you want. But if you don't trust your gut, you're not going to get anywhere. I gave this one student a little exercise because he said, I want to know absolutely everything about something before I jump into it. I said, well, the problem with that is if you knew absolutely everything, you'd be a god, and then you wouldn't have to worry about what to do with your life. You could create and destroy it as you see fit. But I said, if you want to use the scientific method, which is what it sounds like to me, let's try that. And we have to begin with the assumption that we know nothing. So then we ask questions, right? So I came up with a rough little outline for him, and I'm just going to share it with you. I said right at the top of the page, I don't know what to do with my life. Then write down 3 things that other people tell you you're good at, whether or not you like doing them. It may lead you in a direction towards something you do enjoy doing, or give you a sense of confidence, perhaps. That can't hurt. Then I said write down 3 things that you like to do. That is, you moderately enjoy them. It's not your passion necessarily, but it's, hey, this is cool. I always like doing this or that, blah, 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 kind of thing. Then write down 3 things you absolutely love doing. Let's not make that, sex or drugs, but rock and roll is okay. So again, right at the top of the page, I don't know what to do with my life. Then write down 3 things other people think you're good at, say you're good at, that is. 3 things you like doing, and 3 things you love doing. There's a good chance you're going to find an intersection with some of these. And that can give you a guideline. It's not your answer. Your answer has to come from here. But when you're 22 or 23, hey, I didn't know. When I was 22, I had all kinds of ideas. Music was certainly one of them. Writing was also one of them. Being an entrepreneur was one of them. I guess I'm doing them all now. But it wasn't until I almost died that I really made a solid choice. I said music has got to be it. I don't recommend going that way. Don't wait until you're almost going to die. Because you know what? If you're lucky, that's not going to happen until you're like 90. I do, however, wish you one catastrophic failure so that you can get a perspective. Hopefully it's not as a result of this exercise. Peace. Coffee to everyone. Have a wonderful day.